Welcome back, everyone. We are in Las Vegas, and on this trip we are staying at the Park MGM. Check out the room. So we booked the Park MGM King. We are on the 6th floor. We actually have not stayed here since 2017 when it was still the Monte Carlo. So as soon as you walk in, you have this awesome restroom. Pretty spacious, love the lighting. I think my favorite thing has to be the tile work in the shower. You got all your necessities. Of course, you have the you got shampoo, conditioner here. Got a little storage space, plenty of towels. You got your lotion as well. So most of the rooms have been updated at the hotel when they converted to the Park MGM. So for example, they have this barn door here that closes off the bathroom and opens up your closet area. It's really nice. This is where you can find the cups and the bucket for the ice. They do have an iron and a safe, your ironing board here, and a lot of little spaces here in between to store stuff. There we go. So one of the things we noticed right away is how spacious the room actually is compared to how the rooms were before, and I think we figured out why. But check this out. There is something missing right here, and it's that big TV stand that you see in most hotels. For the Park MGM, they decided to get rid of it, so that opens up the entire area. You got this awesome sofa here, right next to the window as well. You don't get much of a view. We are, again, on the 6th floor. That's not what we're here for. We're just here to have a good time, and we just need a place to sleep. I would consider this just a basic room. Again, if you want to just have a good time, enjoy it. It smells great. Here is the king bed. One of our favorite things that we always look for are outlets, and there are outlets on both sides of the bed. Got a little cubby down here, and then you have a little bit of artwork there. Again, they did a great job. We would describe it more as like rustic with a modern twist, a little hint of modern. Here is the phone to call anywhere that you need to. Another cubby, and the outlets are in the back. You have your mirror here so you can check yourself out before you hit the strip. And they do have a little mini bar, of course. It is censored. It says on there, any food or beverages removed for more than 60 seconds will automatically be billed to your room. So if you accidentally knock something over, you have 60 seconds to put it back. But they do have a charging kit, some snacks, and water. You do have more outlets here, as well as USB ports. And it does say that the audio for the TV does work as Bluetooth. And the TV as well, it does move, so you can face it towards the bed if you want, or if you do decide to sit on the sofa, swing it over that way. And they have everything on here, so if you have any questions about restaurants, what they serve, you can order food from here as well. You can just scan the QR code that's on the TV with your phone. And it's these little accents that we like. So check this out. This little thing, obviously it is going to be for the light, but the way they decorate it, the way they use it, pretty cool. So it is very spacious. Again, they do give you this table here. It's kind of like a lounge feel. Very spacious, very simple room, very clean. We love the Park MGM. We love here the casino. We love to gamble here. Again, this is our first time staying here since it reopened as the Park MGM and not the Monte Carlo. But so far, no complaints. We are loving our room.